guys, this is Navi from penhouse.in. Today we are going to review this Sailor model fountain pen, and it's not a regular fountain pen, it's a sterling silver 1985 model fountain. Look at this pen. Wow, this overall body is made up of original silver. So in this video we are going to see construction of the pen, the overall length, weight and writing of the pen. Before going to one video, kindly subscribe to penhouse.in YouTube channel and click the bell icon so that upcoming videos will be notified to you. Let's move on to the video. Wow, look at the body. It's silver and gold. The color combination is awesome. In this pen, 98% of the silver has been there. And here, it's a user-friendly clip, so we can easily insert this in a pocket or diary. Wow, it's a luxurious pen. Okay. In this band, they have mentioned Sailor Japan, founded 1911. All the Sailor pens are found in Japan, that is manufactured in Japan. We have a history for Sailor, right? So, this Sailor is one of the three big Japanese fountain pen companies founded in 1911. So, all the Sailor pens, they have mentioned 1911 and the Japan in the band. This is usual for all the pens, and this model has been mentioned here about this band. Sterling silver 1925 model, and it's a rounded finial. You can see here at the top and the bottom. There is no design over in this pen, and it's a plain smooth pen, and there is a gold trims here, and this clip we have already spoken about that. And here this finial at the top, we can remove this and we can clean whether you want, but personally don't do by yourself. When it's a pen mechanic or any other pen shop near you, you can go visit there and then you can do this cleaning over there. If it's needed, you can do that. Before looking into this pen, we'll see construction of the pen, whether it's an overweight pen or not. So now we are going to calculate the overall length of this sterling silver 1925 model fountain pen. So we are going to use this vernier scale for calculating the overall length. Okay, it's 140.89 mm. Now we are going to unscrew the cap and check the overall length. It's 121.83 mm. Now check the grip section. It's 10.74 mm. Now we'll check that this thread type diameter. It's 12.38 mm. Now we'll check the overall weight of this pen. Now we are going to calculate the overall weight of this Sailor sterling silver pen. Okay. It's 49 gram. And then now we are going to unscrew the cap and check the weight. It's 28 gram. This cap alone carries almost 21 gram. Now we'll look into this pen. It's a thread type cap, and look at the grip section. It's very small because this is not a daily usage pen. It's like a signing purpose. So all the Sailor models pens are like a small grip section. Okay, this nib is a gold nib and it's 21 karat 875. They have mentioned Sailor and then anchor symbol over here, and it's 35 number size. There is a round breather hole over here and there is a design, and all the Sailor models will have in the left corner they have mentioned what type of nib size. It's a fine nib. Now we'll see what type of ink system is this. Okay, it's 3-in-1 ink system. One is converter, another one is cartridge, and then finally it's an eyedropper because there is a o-ring over here. And then converter type is like a versatile ink system because we can easily refill the ink and out the ink, and we can use different colors in a short time period. So that's a versatile ink system. All the 3-in-1 ink system is this. Now we'll do the writing sample and see whether it's writing smooth or hard. We'll check that. So now we are going to do the writing sample of this sterling silver 925 model fountain pen. So that we are going to use this Penhouse Dot-In manufacturing ink. We are going to use this signal rose color. For that, now we are going to dip the ink and just rub in a cloth, and then we are going to use. Now first we'll write Penhouse Dot-In. Penhouse Dot-In, and this is signal rose color. Signal rose, and here it's a sterling silver. Sterling silver, and this is medium fine. So we can feel that. We can feel the smoothness over here. It's not very rough, but in tiny areas we can feel that roughness. Other than that, it's very smooth. Now I'll do the smoothness test. This is medium fine, but it's writing in a very fine note. You can do the horizontal and vertical. Okay, it's in a correct resistance. Nice. While writing again and again, it's going very smooth. You can see here. You can feel the strikes over here. Okay, this is nice. Okay, now we did the writing sample. It's just amazing, and it's very smooth. It's a fine nib and it's very smooth. Some tiny areas we can feel the roughness. Other than that, it's very smooth. That tiny area also, while writing again and again, that will go off. Who or all can use this pen? This is a fine nib, but it's a sterling silver pen. So adults can use this pen, and this is not a daily usage. It's for signing purpose. Penhouse Dot-In is giving a life warranty for this pen, and we'll do services for this pens like this finial cleaning or clip cleaning or pen cleaning. We'll do all types of services. All the spares are available in Penhouse Dot-In. Link in the description. Kindly contact us. Okay, if you want to purchase this sterling silver pen, if you want to add your pen collections, you want to add this pen, it's a user friendly and it's an awesome pen. So kindly link in the description, contact us and purchase your pen. And we have different pouches for this pen. For standard collections of pen, we need to use a proper pouch, then only the scratch won't be there. Otherwise the scratches we can see. So link in the description for that too. I'll show you that now. And thanks for watching. Tata, bye bye.